Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I would like to bring 2-3 points to your kind notice and also to the House. So first and foremost is that we had a BAC, sir, day before yesterday. And in the BAC, whatever was decided has already been tabled and circulated also. And in that, sir, I know that very well that my learned friends might have read it, might have seen it also. If they haven't read it or haven't seen, I would like to read it out for them. Sir, in that, page number 2, sir, point number 3, it was further decided that decided that the notice of adjournment motions, if any, will be taken up after question hour. Sir, now, and I was also there. I was also there in the BAC, sir. And from my party, I had raised an objection stating that the adjournment motion should be before the question hour. But later on the intervention of the Chief Minister and after the rule position being brought to my notice, I said it is a practice which I was mentioning, but if everybody agrees that the adjournment motion will come after question hour, my party also is agreeing for it. And the reason for that was that we wanted the House to run. We want the business to happen in this House. We agreed for that. Sir, and also in the BAC, if there was any issue of importance which was or which is supposed to be discussed, I would like to come on record and say that without offending anybody, nor from the Congress side, nor from the TDP side, nor from the BJP side or any other political side, the matter of discussion about the power crisis of the state of Telangana or the suicide of farmers was not being said. If that would have been mentioned in the BAC and a demand would have been made to the government or to the Honorable Speaker that we want the first discussion on power crisis and suicide of farmers, I'm sure the government would have agreed. But that demand was also not made, sir. And now, sir, today, I know that farmers' suicide is a major issue which needs to be discussed. Power crisis, power situation, whatever, that is also a major issue which needs to be discussed. But, sir, we have two questions. One about the power and also another question about power related to the farmers. So, sir, if anybody is serious, they should initiate a discussion on this. They should discuss on this question hour. And one more point I would like to read, sir, in this BAC agenda which is there. The second point which also says that it was also decided that the question hour will be strictly up to 11 a.m. every day. If any subject requires further discussion, it will be taken up as a half-an-hour discussion also. So, sir, these two questions are there. If the opposition parties feel that both these questions are very important, related to power and the suicide of the farmers, we can extend, as per the decision of the BAC, we can extend this for half an hour. And when the government has come forward and said that they are prepared for a discussion, they are prepared for a discussion whether it is today, tomorrow, any time. And the government has also come forward, Honorable Chief Minister Saab has also come forward and said that the government is prepared for a discussion. And if needed, a statement will be given to this House about the power situation. When there are two questions over here, I'm sorry to say that with this agitation, one thing which comes out very clear and loud to the people of Telangana is that the opposition parties are really not interested in discussing the suicide of the farmers and the power crisis. They are more interested. They are more interested in creating a drama and a tamasha. And they just want to say that. If they are very serious, they should let this question hour come. Why are they running away from question hour? Why are they running away from the third question, which is about the power crisis? Why are they running away with the question which is about the farmers? They are running away because they do not have words or any material to speak. If you are strong enough, please come back. I request my all opposition parties. Congress have been a ruling party, major ruling party in the past. They are a very responsible party. Telugu Desam party is also ruling party, responsible party, ruled in the past. BJP is ruling the nation, the country of a responsible party. I request all the members to please come back to your seat. Let the question hour come. We'll discuss the power problem. We'll have. And lastly, sir, I want to come on record and say that, sir. Sir, whatever is needed and is necessary to run the house, the government should act upon that. And if necessary, sir, I would say that the members disrupting the proceedings of the house should be suspended from the house, and the proceeding and the business of the house should continue, sir. Thank you, sir.
Government is not ready for discussion. The members can agitate, Adhyaksha. Government siddhanga unnamani nenu swayanga as a house leader ani lechi cheppina tarvata our intention is to only disrupt the house. Mem sabha jaraganiyam. Well, program పెట్టుకొని వచ్చిన అధ్యక్ష రెండు ప్రోగ్రాంలు మాకు తెలియదు అధ్యక్ష ఇక్కడ ఎవల మాయకున్నారు అధ్యక్ష